Oh hey! Southwest Technical College invites you and your family to another Southwest Tech public open house on Monday, July 18th from 6 to 8 p.m. Exploring all of our certificate programs will enter you into our raffle for a chance to win this brand new kayak.
In addition to the kayak, we are raffling off all these other amazing prizes. There's going to be information about Southwest Tech certificate programs, so come and learn about scholarships, community programs, and explore our Cedar City Business and Innovation Center, which includes resources for startup businesses such as 3D printers, laser engravers, a recording studio, and much more.
We are so excited to share what we have available at Southwest Tech. Many of our programs prepare students for high-wage, high-demand careers. You will also have the opportunity to enjoy snacks and food prepared by our very own culinary arts students. So please join us at our campus located at 757 West, 800 South in Cedar City. Once again, the event is Monday, July 18th from 6 to 8 p.m. We can't wait to see you there.